Hey guys, it's Lisa from the blog Farmhouse on Boone.com. In one of my most recent videos, I talked about how my husband quit his job for us to do full-time blogging, and there was a great response to it. I had so many well wishes of congratulations and good luck and blessings and all of that kind of stuff, which was great because it was of course a difficult decision and it was a long time coming and it's hard to make that leap. But I had so many questions about how we make money blogging, and so I thought I would at least address that subject briefly. It's obviously a long discussion on how all that works, how to set up your blog and all that, but I'll at least tell you guys how I'm able to make money with blogging. If you're thinking about creating a blog to start an income for your family and that kind of thing, just know that I did not make any money from it at all for the first year. And then when I did start making money with it, it was slow to increase to an amount that would allow us to have it be our full-time income. Blogging, it seems to still have, even though it's an up and coming career and a lot of people make blogging their full-time income, I still seem to find that a lot of people didn't even realize that you could make money with it. So I'm going to start just at that basic level and explain to you the ways that bloggers make money. One is through ad income. So for every 1,000 visitors that come to your website, you're able to make a small amount of money through an ad network or Google AdSense. The ads that pop up, those pay per 1,000 visitors. Now, as you might imagine, bloggers need quite a bit of traffic for that to add up to a sizable amount. Even for me, that alone would not be enough to be a full-time income. That's just one way. Another way is through affiliate income. So you find a product that you love, that you use all the time. You know, in my case, I use for a project like some fabric or something like that. And I will put a link that tracks my information so that the company that I'm referring to knows that I sent the traffic that way. And then if the person makes a purchase, I'll get a little percentage of that sale. So that's another way. Again, on its own, not enough to make a full-time income for me. I know some people completely make full-time incomes off ads alone and off affiliate income alone. A third way is sponsorship. So this is where a company will send a product to a person who has a large influence, whether it be on Instagram or through their blog or on Pinterest or YouTube or Facebook, wherever that influencer has a lot of influence among their followers and their fans, and they will ask them to review the product or to in some way promote it to their followers. So they will pay the influencer to talk about their product or even just on Instagram to show the product and just tag it, something to give the brand exposure. Again, for me, not enough to make a full-time income on those kind of partnerships, just a small amount. There are bloggers and influencers and even just Instagrammers out there who make full-time incomes with their influence by promoting products from brands and sponsorships being their sole source of income. So there's that. For me, I have another way, and that is also that I sell physical products. So I have an online pillow shop where I sell handmade pillows that are made here in the farmhouse. I do have an employee who I've taught to sew my designs, and so she can make table runners and pillow covers. I'm soon going to be having her make these new baby blanket idea that I have out of gauze, and they're going to be personalized with our embroidery machine. Anyways, that's another way that I make income. I sell them on my website. I also sell them on Etsy, and then I also sell fabric by the yard on Etsy. That product business for me wouldn't alone sustain our family as a full-time income. But as you can see the pattern here, all of these things add up to make a full-time income. Another way that bloggers make money is by creating digital products. They might sell an ebook or an online course to teach their viewers something. So I haven't done this yet at all, but I've played around with the idea of teaching how to make a blog or an influence from scratch. So how to, design your brand and create a cohesive brand across platforms and create content and set up a blog and do photography. All things that if I made special videos teaching everything I know about that topic, I could sell that as a course. So that's another way that a lot of bloggers choose to make money. Another way that isn't exclusively a blog thing, but that I also create income for our family is through YouTube. Advertisers pay YouTube to show their ads, and when a creator gets 1,000 views, they get a small amount of money from Google AdSense for the brand displaying their advertisement. This amount is usually smaller than I get from my ad network on my blog, but it's still, if you have a lot of views, can add up to, again, just being another thing to contribute to the income. On its own, not sustainable as a full-time income. Those are the top ways to make money. Advertisements on a blog, advertisements on YouTube, affiliate links. There are several different affiliate networks right through Amazon. There's programs through a company called Reward Style and Share a Sale and Commission Junction. I have little accounts with all those. All of them just, add up to be a couple $100 here, a couple $100 there. So affiliate sales, digital products, physical products, all ways that if you create an audience online, whether it be on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or a blog platform or an email list, with that audience, create an income in tons of different ways. So I hope that kind of answered your guys' question. This is different from my normal videos. I never usually make blogging videos at all, but there was so much interest that I thought I would share that with you guys. And also, if you're super interested in it, I might make a little playlist and make more videos like this. If you don't like that kind of content, you're just here for the recipes and the DIY projects and the home decor and sewing, that kind of stuff, then you can ignore that playlist altogether. But for those of you interested in making a business online that can add income to your family or even be a full-time income for your family, let me know in the comments below. I'm considering making a playlist with some of that stuff. I'm even considering making some kind of online course that I can walk someone through all the steps necessary to create a brand online that can generate income for your family. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I might make more videos like this, but normally I make tuna videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home here in our farmhouse. Thank you so much for stopping by.